Okay, so we just finished grouting our entire tile floor as well as the shower surround. And so right now I wanted to talk a little bit about sealer. And so I always recommend using a type of sealer on your grout. And so it doesn't really matter what you choose, but a lot of people are like, do I need a sealer? Do I not need a sealer? And I would say just go for it. The biggest thing is not so much the water protection so much as it is the stain resistance. And so the grout is still like a porous material, and it can absorb water as well as stain and dirt and whatever else that'll be on your floor. And so, especially if you're in a kitchen where you could get juices with acid, wine, anything like that, then you would definitely want to seal it. Here in the bathroom, it'll just help the grout stay cleaner. And so there are some grouts where you don't need any sealer at all, and that's fine. But I always suggest grabbing some type of sealer. And so there are a bunch of sealers out there. And this one is really nice because it's kind of a brush-on application. But it's all kind of in the bottle. So this is kind of you don't need to buy any extra tools. It's just all right here. They've got roll-on applications, they've got spray-on, they've got wipe-on. I like this because it's just pretty simple. And so specifically for this one, you really want to make sure that your floors are really clean. So vacuum them, sweep them. If you need to, do a little mopping just to make sure there isn't any dust or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you a very small little portion of how to put this on. So we're going to apply it. In 5 minutes, we're going to come back and wipe up the excess, and then we're going to wait 30 minutes and we can do the second coat. And so this stuff is really nice because you can do it and then it takes about 2 to 3 hours to dry. Yours will be a little bit different if you don't get this exact one, and that's fine. Just make sure you read the directions and follow them. So we're just going to do a little bit right here. We've already mopped, we've already cleaned up, and so I can show you exactly what this looks like. Let's just get down here, and if you can see, it's just pouring out of the little hole, and then the brush just helps move it along down the line. You can come here. And so this is as simple as it is. If you were thinking sealing was something really intense, it's not. And that's pretty much it. And so, like I said, we're going to wait 5 minutes. We're going to come back with a paper towel. We're going to wipe this up, and then we're going to wait 30 minutes, and then we're going to do our second coat. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. We're going to come by with our paper towel, and we're just going to remove any of the excess. And what you're really looking to do here is remove the excess on the tile, if any of it's spilled there. And then kind of dab the actual grout line and remove any of the excess from there. And then we're going to wait about half an hour to do our second coat, and then repeat the entire process. So it's been about 30 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and apply our second coat, and then we'll be good to go. Sometimes you might need to come back, whether it's a year later, 2 years later, and reapply some grout sealer. Really just take a look at your tile and see if it's wearing at all. But with this stuff and applications of this as well as regular cleaning, you should be good to go. From here on, your floor is pretty much done. There's nothing else that we can do from here, and we're good to go.
Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so that you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.